Hey everyone, it's Pete here from Blocs Builder. We've got some exciting news for you. Our new website at blocsbuilder.com has gone live. And we have a new section called Courses. That's right, we've been hard at work developing some fantastic material for you to help you on your journey of becoming a master builder with blocks. One of the first courses that we're going to release really soon is called Building Blocks. Building Blocks is a foundational course that's based on Blocks version 4. And we have at the moment over 45 videos and nearly 5 hours of tuition. You can have a look on our website here. It lists all the stuff that you're going to learn throughout the course. And one of the neat things also is that towards the end of the course, we're going to build a fully functional, responsive website using the tools that we've learned as we journey together through this course. Now, this course is not quite ready yet to be launched. But if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll be able to sign up for our email. And when you do sign up for our email, just before launch date, we're going to send you a voucher that will give you 17% off the usual price. 17% off. See, with all our courses, you're going to get lifetime access, self-paced learning, and a one-time purchase. So head over to our website at blocsbuilder.com, have a look at the things we've been working on, sign up for our newsletter, and we'll see you real soon. Take care.